When I was a kid, I actually started playing with fiberglass. And by the time I was 15 years old, I was making some fiberglass helicopter bodies for little radio control units. And I sold a few of them to the local club. So I considered my fiberglass start very young. And we started a fiberglass company by the time I was really in college. When it came time to put my own pool in, I purchased a fiberglass pool myself. And when I saw the product itself show up in the yard, I looked at it and it wasn't bad, but I knew, boy, we could sure do a lot better. And before it was in the ground, we bought materials and started building patterns and molds to build our own fiberglass pools. I had a good friend who I had met in an MBA program at Vondel, and we realized we would be a great complement with his manufacturing and quality control experience and my knowledge of the fiberglass, that we could complement each other and we could start a fiberglass pool manufacturing company.
Thursday Pool's name started when there was a group that got together to brainstorm for names of a pool company. Swimming pools, backyard oasis, you really want to enjoy them. You want to enjoy them all week long or as much as you can. A lot of people purchase them so they can have a great weekend in their backyard. Let's start our weekend early. Let's do it on Thursday.
Starting your weekend early with Thursday Pools begins here. Every day we build and ship new pools to customers like you, making memories that last a lifetime. We have come a long way, and our expansion shows our aspiration and commitment to become a market leader. Rigorous testing validates the rigidity and strength of our pools, making them one of the strongest in the industry. At Thursday Pools, we breed a culture of constant improvement. We often describe the difference in how we manufacture our fiberglass pool shell as a sandwich made up of 9 layers that serve to maximize the strength and durability of the entire structure. Our composite sandwich of awesomeness, as we call it, results in the finest crafted fiberglass pools in the industry today. Never complacent, we have created 3 new pool models that are the first of their kind in the world. 2 beach entry fiberglass pools, the Sandal and the Grace, and our sunken living area, the Cortona. But our innovations go beyond our pools. We've created the Geoanchorine fiberglass pool wall, the Backfill Eliminator, the Lucky 7 skimmer, and our newest innovation, the 007 skimmer. All these innovations exist because we've listened to our customers, dealers, and installers to make sure that Thursday Pools is the best in the industry. In addition to wanting to be the best pool manufacturer, we want to be the best for the environment and leave the smallest carbon footprint we can. We've earned our ISO 14001 certification with the help from our thermal oxidizer that gets rid of 95% of VOCs. And we built a gel robot to make us more efficient and reduce emissions. The Thursday Pool story is about our commitment to creating new innovations and creating the most elegantly crafted and durable fiberglass pools available. But mostly, it's about you, creating memories that last a lifetime.